Dear friends, welcome to my video on how to use the art of war for CEOs. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. 1. All warfare is based on deception. In the business world, this doesn't mean lying to your stakeholders. Instead, think about the element of surprise in your marketing campaigns, product launches, or strategic moves. Remember when Apple dropped the iPhone out of nowhere? That's the art of deception right there. Keep your cards close and only show them when the time is right. 2. Opportunities multiply as they are seized. Seize the day, or, in CEO talk, grab those business opportunities when they arise. When you take risks and they pay off, it's not just a one-time win. One smart move can open doors to countless other opportunities. Think of it as a domino effect. 3. When you surround an army, leave an outlet free. In business, this could mean giving your competitors some space. Why? Completely cornering them might make them react unpredictably or desperately. By leaving a way out, you can predict their moves better. Plus, healthy competition is good. It keeps you on your toes. 4. He who knows when he can fight and when he cannot, will be victorious. As a CEO, you've got to choose your battles. Some issues warrant your attention and resources, others, not so much. Recognizing which is the hallmark of a smart leader. Also, know when to delegate. You can't fight every battle personally. 5. The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. In a corporate setting, this doesn't mean physically battling your competitors. Please, no corporate brawls. It's about winning market share, customer loyalty, and brand recognition without resorting to price wars or dirty tactics. How? Innovate, provide impeccable customer service, and build a strong brand. 6. There is no instance of a nation benefiting from prolonged warfare. Long-term business feuds or prolonged periods of aggressive competition can drain resources and damage your brand's reputation. Sometimes, it's better to collaborate or find middle ground. Remember, a win-win can be much more beneficial than a win-lose. 7. Tactics without strategy is the noise before defeat. This one's golden. Having a bunch of tactics, like marketing campaigns, sales promotions, or even new product features, without a clear strategy is like throwing spaghetti on the wall and hoping something sticks. It's noisy and messy. Always start with a clear strategy in mind. 8. In war, the way is to avoid what is strong and to strike at what is weak. In the business context, it's about identifying gaps in the market or weaknesses in your competitors' offerings and capitalizing on them. If a competitor has unbeatable prices, don't compete on price. Instead, offer superior quality or customer service. 9. Speed is the essence of war. Take advantage of the enemy's unpreparedness, travel by unexpected routes and strike him where he has taken no precautions. Be nimble. If you're running a massive corporation, it's easy to get bogged down by bureaucracy. But agility and the ability to quickly adapt can give you a competitive edge. Keep an eye out for changes in the market or new trends and pounce on them before your competitors can react. 10. Even the finest sword plunged into salt water will eventually rust. Complacency is the enemy. No matter how successful your company is right now, always be on the lookout for ways to improve and innovate. Markets change. Customer preferences evolve. Stay sharp, my CEO friend. Wrapping up, while Sun Tzu wasn't exactly presenting at board meetings or launching tech startups, his wisdom on warfare is eerily applicable to the corporate world. Being a CEO is about strategy, foresight, and understanding both your strengths and those of your rivals. So, next time you're in a tight spot or considering a bold business move, ask yourself, what would Sun Tzu do? And then, armed with ancient wisdom and modern know-how, go conquer your corporate battlefield. To victory and beyond. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.